Jessica Irish Mosquera, and welcome to another video of Data Science Library tutorial. Today we'll learn how to create basic visualizations using Matplotlib, one of the most popular Python libraries for data visualization. By the end, you know how to create and customize plots like histogram, bar graphs, and scatter plots. So, let's begin. So, ang gagamitin nating tool for our Python coding ay ang Jupyter Notebook na nilaunch natin from Anaconda Navigator. So, na-launch ko na yun kanina and here it is. Nakapag-create na din ako ng kernel. So, for you guys to create the kernel, pindot na lang tong new and Python. So, open natin itong ginawa ko. And nilagay ko na dito yung mga topics na makakover ng video na to. So, let's start by importing Matplotlib. Let's type import Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Then, i-run, shift-enter lang. Yeah. So, let's proceed to creating basic plots. Create tayo ng data for our variable x. Let's say 1, 2, 4. Then, for our variable y, and 23, 13. Then to plot that, type natin plt dot plot both x and y. Then shift enter. Ayan. So, ito na yung line graph natin or na-plot natin data. So, para matanggal tong text na to, type natin plt.show. Shift enter ulit. And yan, nawala na. So, proceed tayo sa customizing, styling, and formatting plots. Gusto natin yung plot natin may title. So, natin lagyan ng title. So, how to do that? Type natin plt.title, then single quote yung title na gusto natin ilagay. So, ang lalagay ko na lang ay x and y plot. Then, mag-set tayo ng font size. So, type size, let's say 20. So, close. Shift enter. Ayan. Nagkaroon na ng title yung ating graph. Gusto naman natin may label yung y-axis and x-axis natin. So, to do that, plt.x label, then yung label na gusto nyo ilagay, x na lang. Then mag-set din tayo ng font size, let's say 15. And for y, lagyan din natin ng label. Shift enter, ayan. Nagkaroon na ng label ang ating x and y axis. So, paano naman kung gusto natin lagyan ng points dito? Tapos, gusto din natin baguhin yung kulay or yung style ng line style. Type natin plt.plot yung mga nabanggit ko, we can do that all at once. So, no need na for color equals red, ganyan. Pero you can do that ha. Pero gusto natin yung all at once na. So, gagamit tayo ng formatted string. So, X, Y. Single quote. First is yung marker natin. Gusto natin ay yung bilog, yung point. So, O. Next is yung line style. Gusto ko dotted. So, column. Then, yung color naman is gusto ko mas dark pa dito. So, blue. Ayan. Close natin. Then, shift enter. Ayan. As you can see, ang una natin ay yung marker. Marker, yung O. O, bilog naman siya. Next is yung line style, which is yung dotted. Line style. Dotted naman siya. Then, yung color, which is blue. Ayan, ganyan yung format ng ating customization. So, kung gusto natin ay palitan yung line style, pwede din itong broken line or dash. So, shift enter. Ayan, naging dash siya. Gusto natin red. Shift enter. Ayan. So, that's how you customize your graph. So, proceed tayo sa mga types ng plot or graphs. So, for scatter plot, need natin mag-import ng mga required libraries such as pandas, PD, as well as NumPy. Then, mag-i-import tayo ng real-life dataset as an example to show our graph or plot. So, df, create tayo ng data frame that read under CSV. Then, nag-upload ako dun sa folder ko ng CSV file. So, ayan yung dataset na nakuha ko online. Workup.csv. Make sure na tama yung file name kasi mag-error yan kung hindi. So, shift enter. Then, print natin df. So, ito na yung laman ng ating dataset. So, to create the scatter plot, type natin x points. Let's say gusto natin scatter plot yung columns ng false and max false. So, ang x natin would be false. Okay. Would be false. And for y points natin, max points. Lagyan din natin title and labels. So, yung kanina, ginawa natin kanina, apply natin. Scatter. Then, proceed tayo sa pag-scatter plot. So, type natin plt.scatter response white lines so, shift enter. Bakit? Anong mali natin? Oh, ito. Okay. Shift enter. Ay, naku. Best. Ayan. So, ito na yung scatter plot natin. Lakihan nga natin. Set tayo ng figure size. Tanggalin din natin tong text na to. So, plt.show. Ayan. So, as you can see, kitang-kita na yung mga plots natin. Scatter plot. So, that's how you do it using matplotlib. Next, proceed tayo sa bar graph. Di ko na-interpret yung mga graphs natin kasi ang purpose lang ng video na to is papakita kung paano gumawa ng mga plots or graphs using matplotlib. So, papin lang din natin ito to save time. Kasi almost same lang din naman. Pagka natin ito ng bar graph. Palitan naman natin yung gagamitan na data. So, let's say false and calories na lang ang gusto nating i-bar graph. So, tama ba? Then, ito ay plt.bar. White points. Palitan naman natin ng ibang color. Red. And shift enter. So, ito na yung itsura ng ating bar graph using the data of false and calories. So, ito. Calories false. Masyadong, kung naninipisan kayo sa mga bars, pwede natin i-customize yan by typing with then go to pencil. Ayan, pumapal na. So, you can do that. Paano naman kung gusto nyo na horizontal bar graph? So, we can do that also by typing bar h, then instead na width ay height. So, ayan, ito yung tsura ng ating horizontal bar graph. Next is histogram. Paste lang din natin kung kanina. For histogram, isang data lang ang gagamitin. So, tanggalin natin yung white points. So, palitan natin yung data. Kapag ako, pwede pa lang ano yun? df pd dot columns. Ayan. I think. Oh. Column. Yeah. Wag na. Charis.
A few moments later.
Ayan. Let's go. Sorry, nakalimutan. So, ito yung mga columns natin. So, ang gusto kong gamitin for our histogram ay Maxpos. Naka-scatter pa pala. Sorry. Histogram, type hist, then palitan natin ng beans, set natin ng 10, color ay shift enter. Yan, ito na yung itsura ng ating histogram for Maxpos. Yan. Next is pie chart. Dito na natin. So, then isang data lang gagamitin natin. And gusto ko ay duration. Hindi pa natin nagagamit duration. Pie chart. Then to create the pie chart, plt.pie and x points. Shift enter. And this is our pie chart for the data duration. So, that's it. Na-cover natin lahat ng ating mga topics na nakalagay kanina. So, we started from creating basic plots or line graph and customizing, formatting them. Then, pag-create na mga different plots like scatter, bar graph, histogram, and pie chart. So, madami pa tayong pwedeng gawin sa Matplotlib, but mga basics lang yung tinuro. So, if you're looking for advanced use of Matplotlib, refer to other videos. I'm sure na marami. So, that's it. And that's a wrap for Matplotlib basics. I encourage you to try these examples with your own data and experiment with different styles and options. Remember that visualization is a powerful tool to make sense of your data and tell impactful stories. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.